Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is David Saputra. I from class PBEC. Today I want to read this text about an article in the topic is looking at the link between parents' educational backgrounds and students' English achievement. Abstract. This study investigates the link between parents' educational background and students' English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parent's educational background questionnaire and an English test, descriptive statistics, person, product, moment, correlation, and regression analysis were employed to analyze the data. The result of the person, product, moment, correlation coefficient reflect that parents' educational background significantly correlated with the student English achievement. Additionally, the result of the linear regression analysis indicated that there was a correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. Although the contribution was small and there were other factors that contribute to the student academic achievement, parents' educational background is important in supporting their children's English achievement. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of a society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era of globalization. Haryanto, Mukminin, Murboyono, Muazza, and Ekatina, 2016. 2016. Mukminin, Rohayati, Putra, Habibi, and Aina, 2017. Education gives insight, grows the personality, inculcates moral values, adds knowledge, and provides skills for people who will live in a very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people needed. Mukminin, Haryanto, Makmur, Falsafa, Fayarjani, Tabran, and Suadi, 2013. Mukminin, 2012. However, there are several studies including on the problems of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin, Lestari, Afifah, Ramadhani, and Hendra, 2017, and Mushadat, 2013, who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and in international levels. For example, a talk science 1995, Indonesia has taken part consistently in every form of strength in international mathematics and science study TEMSS. The results have not been satisfactory. Luce 20 and 2017. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34 and the 33 and the 32 in math and science respectively. In 2003, performance in math increased to 411, while the science scores repeat to 420. The reverse occurred in 2007, with math performance decreased to 397 and science improved to 427. Scores in both math and science fell in 2011 to 386 and 406 respectively. In 2015, math performance increased to 317 and 97, while science performance decreased to 307 and 97. P12. The result of Indonesian participation in TIMSS have implied that the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parents, including government, school, and family. Family is one of the important factors in supporting the education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is obviously a major resolution again, so that it is important in determining the child motivation to achieve success. Muala 2010. Mainly family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the children might excel in their academic career and to become productive, and additionally, parents' personal education background and economic background have a significant effect on their children's education. It means that parent educational the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. Arif 2017 Grades Nation Schools and Kurt Sehai 2006. In relation to education, English is one of the compulsory subject in Indonesia's educational system. The internal and external factors, for example, trends to influence the learners' English achievement. Yaghoubi and Rasouli 2015. For more data from Education First English Proficiency Index also showed that the average score of Indonesian English proficiency was 52, 74, and labeled as a moderate proficiency level. This score has placed Indonesia in the 28th rank out of 63 countries in terms of index that compares the average English language ability in different countries. OECD 2012. The data indicate that English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems or difficulties in learning English. In their study, Abrar Mukminin Habibi Ashrafi Makmur and Marzulina 2018 and Mukminin Muazza Hustana and Sari 2015 found that the problems in learning English, such as teacher competence, students' lack of English foundation background, students' lack of confidence, inappropriate curriculum, unmotivated, incorrect, and guided learning strategy, nor practice speaking English with English native speakers, and class environment. Some researchers have previously explored parents' educational background and student English achievement. For example, Aprina 2015 found that parents' educational background was significantly correlated to students' English achievement, though the correlation was weak. Also, Carnegie 2010 found that their achievement. Snabel, a fellow Chile scholar, and Bomer 2002 found that significant conclude that the results of those studies are still inconsistent. Additionally, Arif 2017 found that there was no significant relationship between parents' occupation and educational background and student achievement in learning English. The finding of the previous studies on the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To research question within this study, is there any link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student are at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia? And 2. Does parent educational background influence student English achievement of the 12th? Literature review. Parents' educational background refers to parents' highest education. That means the highest level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification of Education (ISCED) from UNESCO 2011 has grouped 9 levels of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary non-tertiary education, cycle tertiary education, bachelor's or equivalent level, master's of equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher levels of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn self-harm. 2013. Highly educated parents have greater success in school, Self-harm 2013 also adds the relationship of parents' education to their children's likely to be influenced by their educational experience and how these parent beliefs and behaviors actually influence children's achievement, motivation in academic area. Additionally, family characteristics such as parental income, education, and family size seem to be connected to students' achievement. Levin, 1994, Hanus Hick, 2007. In terms of student achievement, Garabel and Desi 2001 state that achievement is the competence of a person in relation to a domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukmadinata 2007 state that achievement of students could be seen from mastering the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to the good result from learning. In addition, achievement means the competency that is achieved by the students in English subject. Being well-educated parents give benefits for their children. In thus 2008 state that parents could serve as good role models by being conscientious, ambitious, and methodical. All of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educated parents can provide their children with guidance to get good information at home. Gunda Mehta Gokhale and Berhanun 2012 found that educated parents had more attention to the facility used by their children related to their study, especially in learning English. Students from good socio-economical and high parental educational background have good chance for getting admission in good professional course. Parental education level also determines the facilities and the cultural level of the home. Udo and Seni, 2012, claim that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational materials for their children. In other words, this suggests that students may need to support their learning with good educational materials because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including in learning English, methodology, research design, and participants. In this study, we used a correlation approach to find out the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The first procedure was we identified the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire, and the second procedure was we gave the student that test of TOEFL. The next step was we analyzed the link between the two variables through SPSS based on the result of the educational background questionnaire and TOEFL test. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through parents' educational background questionnaire and an English test. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we used questionnaire and a test as the instruments to gather the data concerning the link between parents' educational background and students' English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia, to obtain the information about parents' educational background. We used the questionnaire from UNESCO 2011, which was adapted by Apriana 2015. The questionnaire consisted of parents' educational background, which was related to parents' highest education. The questionnaire asked about the level education of father and mother of the student in sharing parents' education background. The students ticket one of their parent educational background levels, including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary non-tertiary education, short cycle tertiary education, bachelor or equivalent level, masters of equivalent level, and doctoral or equivalent level. The score was from 0 until 8. The highest level education is the highest score is a higher score indicates a higher degree of education background level. To obtain the students English achievement, we use it TOEFL Junior Test. The purpose of the TOEFL Junior Test is to provide an objective measure of the degree to which students in the target population have attained proficiency in the academic and social English language skills. The design of the TOEFL Junior Standard Test asserts that the TOEFL Junior Standard Test is an English proficiency test that is not based on or limited to any specific curriculum. There are three sections: listening, structure, and reading. Each section contains 42 four-choice questions with a total testing time of 1 hour 55 minutes. Two for junior test scores are determined by the number of questions that a student has answered correctly. There is no penalty for wrong answer. The category of the result of the test is grouped into very good, good, very poor, average poor, and very poor. In terms of correlation and regression, it was necessary to know whether the data were normal for each variable and linear between two variables in the study. Normality test was used to find out whether the data of educational background, questionnaire, and TOEFL junior tests were normal or not. We used a sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov in SPSS. If p-value is higher than 0.5, then it was normal and finds product moment correlation to find out whether or not there was a correlation between the variables. Finding and discussion. Parents' education background and students' English achievement. 108 students participated in this study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parent educational background for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 8 and the lowest score was 1. The mean score of parent education background, that the level of parent educational background of participants in short cycle tertiary education, D2 or D3. The result of normality test and linearity test. The data were interpreted as a normal one if P. It means the data were not normal. Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality test indicate that the data from each variable were normal and appropriate for data analysis with efficient with coefficients. Correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Based on the Pearson product moment correlation coefficients, the result indicated that the pattern of correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement was positive. Influence of parent educational background on student English achievement. The result indicated that parents' educational background influenced students' English achievement significantly with 4,763 was higher than to 1,982 with value 000 was lower than probably 0.5. Based on the result of person product moment correlation, it was found that there was a positive and a significant correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade students. This means that parent educational background had a relation to student English achievement. The level of correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement was fair. Parents with a higher level of education can stimulate their children in a good learning environment. They can transfer what they have in their children cognitive development, for example, by having more discussion about the lessons, using rich vocabulary in the interaction of parents and children, and reading more books with the children. This result is in agreement with Grade 2006 arguments that parent educational background has a relationship with students' English achievement. Furthermore, the more educated the parents are, the more they are able to pass along the education and help their children. Children excel in school. Parents with little or no education find it very difficult to understand or help their children in the area of education. For example, Salfam 2013 states that parents with a higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their ability to help their children learn. Conclusion: the current student investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the parent study, we found that parents' educational background were significantly correlated with students' English achievement with 420. The category of correlation was fair. Additionally, the linear regression analysis showed that parents' educational background 17.6% significantly. Contribution of parents' educational background and student English achievement showed a significant link, although the contribution was small, suggesting that there were other factors that could contribute to their students' English achievement, such as schools, teacher, friends, and environment. Okay, friend, I think it is enough for my reading today. If I have any mistake, I apologize, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.